Hieromartyr Artemon, the Presbyter of Laodicea, April 13th. A venerable presbyter of Laodicea, after a lifetime of service, courageously destroys pagan idols and endures extreme tortures, offering his life as a witness to Christ during the Diocletianic persecution. A heads up in the spirit of transparency. Please be advised that this content may include torture, martyrdom, and physical violence. The Hieromartyr Artemon served as a presbyter in Laodicea of Syria during the late 3rd and early 4th centuries. His life was marked by dedication to the Church from his youth. Born to Christian parents, he received instruction in the faith and committed himself to God's service. From an early age, Artemon demonstrated piety and a commitment to righteousness. At the age of 16, Bishop Sicinius recognized Artemon's spiritual maturity and ordained him as a reader. In this capacity, Artemon devoted himself to the sacred texts and liturgical life for 12 years. His faithfulness and diligence led to his ordination as a deacon, a role in which he served the Church for 28 years. Through these decades, he assisted in the divine services and ministered to the needs of the faithful, growing in spiritual wisdom and experience within the community. After 40 years of service as a reader and deacon, Artemon was elevated to the priesthood. As a presbyter, he continued his ministry in Laodicea for 33 more years. By this time, he was a deeply respected elder, known for his steadfast faith and guidance among his flock. His entire life, spanning over 77 years of active service, was a continuous witness to Christ and a model of Christian virtue. In 303 AD, the Roman Emperor Diocletian initiated a severe persecution against Christians throughout the empire. Imperial edicts commanded all citizens to offer sacrifices to the pagan gods. The military commander Patricius was dispatched to Laodicea to enforce these decrees, demanding adherence to the Roman state religion. Upon learning of Patricius's arrival and the impending demand for pagan sacrifices, Saint Artemon, accompanied by his bishop, the holy hierarch Sicinius, entered the temple dedicated to the goddess Artemis. Inside the pagan sanctuary, they shattered and burned the idols, proclaiming the power of the one true God over the false deities. This act demonstrated their unwavering conviction and rejection of idolatry. When Patricius arrived in Laodicea, he ordered a grand festival and sacrifice at the temple. Discovering the destroyed idols, he became enraged and demanded to know who was responsible for the act. The venerable Artemon, seeking to protect his bishop and the Christian community, stepped forward. He boldly confessed to the act, denouncing the worship of lifeless images and declaring his faith in Christ before the commander. For this confession, Saint Artemon was subjected to severe tortures. His body was raked with iron claws, causing deep wounds. He was then placed upon a red-hot gridiron. Yet God protected his servant. 2 angels appeared, and the fire beneath the gridiron was miraculously extinguished, leaving the saint unharmed. This divine intervention astonished the witnesses, and many, seeing the power of God, believed in Christ. Undeterred by the miracle and the conversions, Patricius ordered Artemon to be bound. He planned to transport the saint to Caesarea for further judgment. During the journey, a pagan priest named Vitalis, who was part of Patricius's retinue, was bitten by a viper and died. The same viper approached Saint Artemon but did not harm him, instead bowing its head before him. This event further revealed God's protection of his chosen one. Near the village of Vola, Patricius commanded that a large cauldron be filled with boiling pitch. He then ordered the martyr to be thrown into it. With a final prayer, Saint Artemon gave his soul to the Lord. He received the crown of martyrdom, completing his long life of service and witness through a steadfast confession unto death. His commemoration is observed on April 13th.